Hello and welcome to the new video of Power BI beginner tutorial series. In this video, we are going to discuss Power Query functionality of fill up and fill down. So for that, I would like to import the data. So data I would like to import is pivot data. So let me go ahead and say Excel workbook, and I will go to downloads. I will look for pivot data, and this pivot data you can find it on my GitHub uh, link, which I usually share in my description, so you can get it from there. So from here we will look into one of the sheet which is gap, then there is one more sheet which is fill. So these are the sheets we are going to take it in, and instead of load we are directly going to use transform. So when we use transform, we will directly reach to the Power Query, and once we reach to Power Query we can do few operations out there. Now one of the operation which we would like to do here is basically, if you see, there are basically these are marks 90, and what I want is whenever these marks 90, there is something which is not below, I would like to fill this with 90, fill down. Now here I don't have something up, I want to do a fill up. Okay, so this is my objective. So basically I want to fill down or fill up. This is something very similar you might have seen in Excel, where you can fill up and fill down. So typically, it would be kind of a pivoted data with, rows, multiple rows, and then the values are basically missing in those, and that's where we use this functionality more. So you might have bought a pivot kind of a table where, column A has value which is, let's say, state, and after that cities are there in state which are repeating, are not given in all the rows, and that kind of data is there, and you would like to still use that in Power BI. So Power Query, you can correct that kind of stuff. So you click here, right click, I have done, and then I have functionality which is fill down and fill up. So here I'm going to use fill down. So you see, the moment I use fill down, the wherever there is a blank space, the same number which was up getting filled in below. It's not that it's only about one null. Like if I go to this table, this particular column, computers, we have, this is two places. So these two should be 100 and these two should be 98. So let's click here, right click, fill down. So 100 and 98 98. So this way we can fill down. Same way we have functionality fill up. So in this column physics, we will right click, fill up. So this time the value was missing below, we got the value up. And if you would like to see, you can see the previous step. See, this is 87 and now it is filled up 87. Now here we can do either fill up and fill down depending on the choice. Now this is sample data, that's why you have these kind of stuff. So this is a really good functionality if you have some data missing and you need to fill up and fill it down. So go ahead and try that out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.